Today we're going to be talking about my Ducati Hypermotard 950 RVE, but this also applies to any motorcycle. This bike has one of the most gorgeous liveries I've ever seen, and you can tell Ducati's artists took their time with its sleek graffiti styling, aggressive looks, and beautiful Ducati red paint on the rim. No! What the fluff? In this video, we're going to fix this tragedy of epic proportions, or at least we'll try to. Let's do work. All right, let's get to work making this already beautiful beast even more beautiful. You know, I just love to adjust the little things, right? Grips, mirrors, gas cap, tank protectors. Over here in my Streetfighter, bar ends, mirrors. It's these little touches that we like to invest in our bike to make them our own, just to make them perfect. So why then would I suffer this? Go! Egad, man. Egad, I say. All right, things you're gonna need for this job. Microfiber cloth, a cleaner. Now I have tried many cleaners in my day, including Plexus. This was just introduced to me by my friend, and it is by far the best overall bike cleaner I've ever seen. I'm not like endorsing this company or anything like that, but it makes your bikes clean and it's good for pretty much all surfaces. Like I wouldn't put it on this kind of suede material on my Streetfighter, but on my Hyper, I would definitely use it on this plastic. But it not only cleans and details, but it just gives your bike a sheen that like lasts for weeks. It just makes your bike gorgeous. I'm not affiliated with this company in any way, but I will put these on my Amazon storefront, link below. And if you buy lots of stuff on my storefront, you can buy me a coffee. Not like a Starbucks coffee, but like, you know, a cheaper one. You have to buy $10,000 of stuff on my Amazon storefront for a Starbucks coffee. Okay, next up, a red paint. Duh. I got this one on Amazon. It's touch-up paint. Now, is it Ducati red? I don't know, but it's going to be a lot better looking than just this eyesore right here. And if it doesn't look good, we can always repaint it with something else. Maybe I'll get some Ducati paint, but this is 12 bucks. I think it's on sale for like 10 bucks right now. I'll pop that on my storefront too. Again, not affiliated with this company. And then you're gonna need some painter's tape for obvious reasons, because you don't want that red paint to spill over onto your nice red rims here in case it doesn't match precisely. I really don't know why they would take a beautiful red rim like this and put that crappy looking hunk of metal on it, but it gives me a fun little project to work on. Make sure it's nice and dry. Tape it. Thumbs up if getting motorcycle chain grease on your hand doesn't even faze you anymore because you've done it so many times and you're used to living with those black smudges all over your arms and hands. Pick it up.
A few moments later. 2,000 years later.
So this particular one has a little paintbrush that comes with it, and then we're simply going to get our paint on. Kind of awkward to do this from behind the bike because of the camera angle, so bear with me. I'm not an expert painter, or an expert anything for that matter. Oh, scheisse. As you can see, my wheel is now painted red. Actually red tires, so it looks pretty hot. So what I'll do is I'll put a couple of different coats on this. We'll let that dry and then come back and put on another coat. All right, so we'll let that dry and then we'll come back, and then if that looks good, we'll go over to the other side where they also ruined the nice red paint, and we'll fix that one up there. Now on my Streetfighter V4S here, they did me right and they put on these black ones, or at least black caps, which look really good. Wish they would have some red ones. But let's let her dry and we'll come back. What do you guys think of the black Banshee? We're almost done with her. What we're gonna do here is we're gonna paint the rear sets. And we're gonna paint this gas cap just for fun. And if it looks like crap, we'll replace them. And we'll also do the kickstand, and then she will be complete. She will be the black Banshee officially. Guys, I'm thinking of adding a 2024 Kawasaki Ninja ZX 1400R to the collection because 1400R, big bike. I'm a little bit on the big side at 6'1", 215-ish pounds. And I think that would be a big, comfortable, kind of touring-y bike with a huge set of cojones. Let me know what you guys think of the ZX 1400R Ninja. All right, let's take a look at the results. Not bad, actually. Actually, it's pretty good. Might not even notice it from afar, from a few feet away at least. It's not perfect, but it's much better, I think, than this. Am I right? think it could use maybe another coat, get a little bit closer on the sides there. But yeah, not bad for a little $12 mod. I think if you have really nice red rims like this, why would you want to uglify them with this thing? Obviously this could work for black rims as well, or carbon fiber. Why would they ruin a carbon fiber rim like this? Here's a giant strip on this spoked wheel that could certainly use a coat of paint. I mean, you spend tons of money on little tweaks like this, and on oil caps and little CNC metal plugs for mirror holes. So why not also get rid of the totally monstrous eyesore like that? I like it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. All right, guys, always remember the motto, always be kinder than necessary, and I will see you in the next one.